In the latest developments in the global defense world, Turkey has once again taken center stage. This time, it tested a locally made vertical takeoff landing drone called the Bayraktar KALKAN DİHA, which, according to Baykar's announcement, successfully conducted a small kamikaze drone launch and drop test in a weapons system demonstration. While much global attention has focused on jet-class combat platforms, like the Bayraktar KIZILELMA, for air-to-air missions, the success of the KALKAN DİHA demonstrates that Turkey aims to build a much more diverse portfolio of UAV, from portable and VTOL drones to fully combat-capable UCAVs. The Bayraktar KALKAN is part of the DİHA series, an acronym for Dikey İniş KalkışlıİnsansızHava a UAV with vertical takeoff and landing capabilities. Technically, this drone has a hybrid configuration. It takes off vertically with an electric motor, then switches to a gasoline engine for cruise mode. According to an official statement from Baykar and several defense media reports, the KALKAN DİHA conducted live-fire and drop tests of small kamikaze drones from other manufacturers in late November 2025, demonstrating the increasingly mature capabilities of drones-on-drones that can take off vertically, without a runway, and then function as reconnaissance and drone launchers are invaluable in modern tactical contexts. This enables operations from remote areas, small ships, or unconventional launch points, while reducing logistical footprint and infrastructure requirements. The UAV mothership plus swarm subdrone concept is becoming increasingly popular, given the lessons learned from contemporary conflicts that emphasize flexibility, stealth, and massiveness. With KALKAN as its UAV carrier platform, Turkey is increasing the complexity and depth of its drone portfolio, not just a single drone, but an integrated network of UAVs. All platforms, from KALKAN to kamikaze drones and munitions, are developed by domestic companies or local defense industry partners. This supports the Milli Technology Hamlesi slogan, reduces dependence on imports, and strengthens the domestic defense industry. Modular and flexible. UAV systems like this are suitable for asymmetric conflict, drone swarms, electronic warfare, and stealth operations, especially in difficult terrain or urban areas. The ability to drop kamikaze drones or light munitions from small VTOL drones makes it difficult for adversaries to detect and prevent attacks. Its general specifications: wingspan approximately 5 meters, fuselage length approximately 1.5 meters, takeoff weight 30 to 50 kilograms, payload approximately 3 to 5 kilograms, depending on configuration due to its runway-free takeoff and landing capabilities. The KALKAN is ideal for operations from remote areas, small ships, or airstrips, providing high flexibility in ISR intelligence, reconnaissance, surveillance, or light strike missions. Previously, the KALKAN was primarily known as an ISR reconnaissance drone. It features an electro-optical infrared camera, an automatic flight control system, automatic navigation capabilities, target tracking, and a return-to-home mode. However, recent tests have shown that the KALKAN can serve a much broader role, not just as a reconnaissance eye, but as a mothership or aerial launcher of small drones, munitions. A small kamikaze drone from the Skydagger line, an FPV first-person view model, was released from the KALKAN VTOL drone while in flight. This test marks the first time the KALKAN has been equipped to carry out drone munitions drop missions. Not just for drones, the KALKAN's initial configuration does include a small internal payload of around 3 kilograms, ideal for sensors or laser designators. However, the successful drop test demonstrates the platform's flexibility in supporting small drones or light munitions. In the context of drone swarms and the future of asymmetric warfare, this capability paves the way for drone swarms and UAV carriers, where small drones are launched from large UAVs or extending the attack range and complicating enemy defenses. Thus, the KALKAN DİHA is no longer just a reconnaissance platform, but also a potential arsenal of modular, flexible drone systems that can be adapted for ISR, kamikaze drone drops, and even the potential to carry light munitions. In fact, while the public is focused on the air-to-air test of the KIZILELMA with a radar-guided BVR missile, a global milestone for the test combat drone at KALKAN DİHA may have gone unnoticed. However, both demonstrate two directions in which Turkey's development is taking place. The KIZILELMA represents the jet UCAV class and its potential for air dominance in air-to-air surface combat with fighter-like performance. Meanwhile, the KALKAN DİHA represents the modular VTOL drone class, suitable for flexible, tactical operations, small drone deployment, kamikaze missions, ISR and rough terrain, or rapid deployment without runways. Both are important, and progress in one does not diminish the relevance of the other. In fact, their combination provides Turkey with a full spectrum of UAVs, from light and fast drones to heavy UCAVs and air-to-air guns. Despite the success of the small drone drop and release test from KALKAN, several questions and challenges remain, because the payload is only approximately 3 to 5 kilograms. there is a weight limit on the drone munitions that can be carried, meaning small drones, kamikazes, are not heavy weapons. This is suitable for light targets or asymmetric operations, but not for large attacks or heavily armored targets. Flight stability after the drop. Under real-world conditions, whether concussion, electronic interference must be consistently proven. Drone swarm coordination and command. Communications, command and control, C2 systems, and data link security are critical, especially when operating multiple drones from a UAV mothership. Interference, jamming, or interception can weaken the system. Integration of intelligence, sensors, target acquisition, and weapons guidance must be excellent for high effectiveness. Drone swarms, small UAVs, kamikazes could raise concerns among the international community. Export controls and enforcement of ethical use are challenges. Logistics, spare parts, training, and operational procedures must be thoroughly prepared for the system to be used effectively in peacetime. Strengthening its position as a global UAV power with a comprehensive portfolio ranging from light drones, swarm drones, VTOL drones, to UCAVs, jet UCAVs. Turkey can offer complete UAV solutions to both domestic and foreign militaries. Expanding its export market, military and technological independence, successful local testing, and integration of domestic systems supports the national technology ambition, reducing dependence on foreign technology. Military flexibility and adaptability in modern, rapidly changing, asymmetric conflicts. Swarm drones and electronic warfare systems like the KALKAN DİHA provide high flexibility and broad tactical options. A new benchmark in the UAV world. VTOL drones plus swarm drones plus carrier drones can serve as a model for other countries. Countries with difficult terrain or long coastlines may be interested in adopting similar concepts.